Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today I am checking out this little guy. This is the brand new 2026 Coachmen Clipper 9000 series. This is a small, kind of overland style travel trailer here built by Coachmen. We're going to take a few minutes here, walk you through the inside, the outside, and really kind of show you what this RV is all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the new 2026 Clipper 9000 series little overland trailer here by Coachmen. So kind of looking up at the front area right there, you're gonna have a nice shelf space up there. Some cubbies to kind of stash some of your goodies in. And then there's a little cabinet on the right also. AC mounted to the side of the RV, you can see that right over there. This one was ordered with a 200-watt solar panel. So there is a 30-amp charge controller right here. The propane furnace control, USB charger port, electric outlet. And just down below your little end table there, you're going to have some more storage space and your propane furnace. Now currently I have it in sofa mode. So you can see here, plenty of room to sit down, and you could hook you up a TV over here as there are cable outlets and an electric outlet over there. So you could mount you up a TV, sitting here on a rainy day if you had to, watch some TV or catch up on the news at night or something while you're trying to get some sleep. You got some shelf space up above, window over there does open. Just down below right here, there is the electric box with the breakers and fuses. There's a propane leak detector and some storage underneath. Now, this will also pull out into bed mode, which would give you a little more sleeping space for a couple and still have a little bit of space where you could maybe stick your legs down to kind of get in and out a little bit. I like the fact that they even put a turbo exhaust fan in here too. But very, very nice. And you do have your propane leak detector or your fire extinguisher and stuff here. It does have a traditional screen door on the door. Light switch here. Smoke detector up above. Now, let's step on back outside. We'll show you around the outside too. All right, back here on the outside again. This is an aluminum exterior. It does have a fiberglass entry door, again, screen door on there as well. It has two lights out here on this side. There is a little pet-friendly leash latch holder down below. You have a double entry step here to help you get in and out of the RV. There is an electric outlet right here. Now this little table does come with it, so you could set that up inside and have kind of a little, card playing table or a little place to eat inside if you had to on a rainy day. But you got a nice little table to take inside or out, depending on what you prefer. It has kind of an off-road Westlake tire, easy lube hubs, drum brakes. It has a very nice heavy-duty steel wheel well here that you can kind of climb up on and use to like maybe get up here on top of the roof area if you wanted to. So if you wanted to put something up here, like maybe some kayaks or, bike rack or something, whatever you might want to get up there and kind of strap down. You could also see that solar panel up there that it was ordered with. Now just down here is going to be a gas line hookup. So you could put your griddle right there, basically pulls out and plug into that to cook on the griddle. Some people get kind of like an aftermarket, like Big Blackstone or something like that as well, that you could possibly plug into that and use that, get you a little splitter or something if you wanted to maybe, and use two, depending on how many people you might have with you. You're going to have that very nice Everchill refrigerator right there. You got a little sink area there. There's also going to be The water heater on-off switch back there, electric outlet, some more shelf space. The door here kind of acts as an awning when it is up, but you can also see what it looks like there when it's down. Very nicely done, has the slam latches and everything on it. Over here on this side, you are going to have your water heater right here. There is a drain for the sink right down below. Fresh water tank drain down there, low point water drain also. You do have your water inlets, winterization inlet, cable outlet, 30 amp charge controller, or power cord I mean. So it's a 30 amp power cord, that detachable setup right there. There is prepping right here for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. So there's an aftermarket ladder you could buy and hook on there, kind of telescope down, which would help you kind of get up there and mess around on the roof if you needed to. And then right over here, you got a hot and cold outside utility shower right there. Furnace exhaust out right there. The AC coming out the side. The front is a nice rolled aluminum with the lower diamond plate. It is currently using a 2-inch hitch ball, manual tongue jack, heavy duty safety chain, 7-way Bargman wiring plug. It also has a 20-pound propane tank there. There's room for 1, possibly 2 batteries depending on the size of the batteries. There's a battery disconnect down there to shut down the batteries when you're putting it in storage. Spare tire is mounted underneath there as well. Now right here is some very, very important informational stuff. So for example, this is a production date sticker. It tells me my model number 9000 ROK. Yeah, my production date on this one was 10/20/2025 is when it supposedly went on the assembly line, got built and finished up. You're going to have a dry weight. Let's see, that's the other sticker. This one's the gross weight. So it tells me the gross weight of this RV is 2,180 pounds. Tire size, ST 235 75R15D range tire with a 65 PSI cold. And the sticker right down here tells me that the RV, when it rolled off the assembly line with these options and upgrades, was 1,834 pounds with an exterior length of 14 feet 4 inches. But overall, a very cool, lightweight, little overland style camper here built by Coachmen. So you can check these out at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They should definitely be able to save you a lot of money on a new RV if you're interested. If you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button and subscribe. How about the channel? Much, much appreciated. A lot more videos coming as we roll out into the 2026 season. Check them out.